Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Haining Road building, the construction going on Haining Road. And there it is, we just turned on to Haining Road. It's a commercial building and we're not going to see much from this side, but we'll turn around and give you the view from the other side because they have this green thing all over it. I'm going to show you what the finished building is going to look like. Very nice. So this one is going to be 7 floors. You can see the details: elevator, basement parking, backup water supply, generator. And when you live in Jamaica, you definitely need to see that thing about backup water supply because it's serious water restrictions going on. Now we're going to show you building from different angles. But it looks it's going to be a very nice building when it's finished. You can't really see much because of the green thing they have around it. Here we can get a better angle, see more of the building. This one is commercial. I'm over in New Kingston, which is this side of New Kingston is more commercial. So that one is definitely at 7 floors. They've reached a height, so it's just for them to finish now. And if you notice, we don't really talk about the completion dates of these projects anymore because the dates always change. Whether it's the highway or a building, they never finish on time. Alright, straight ahead now, that is Knutsford Boulevard. No, well, that's New Kingston. Where you see that white building to the right, that is Knutsford Boulevard. That's a Pan Caribbean building. On the right now is where the Wyndham Hotel used to be, but it's being renovated and it's going to open back up under another name. Not sure. They haven't announced what the name is going to be, but over here on the right, that's where they're going to build a 34 floor building. 34 floors. It's still in the planning stage, but that's the plan, and it would be a hotel. And that massive building to the right is One Belmont. And straight ahead they have a sign, but I don't think they're building this building on the property there, because no construction is going on there. But I've heard of this printwear online. I'm not sure where they're building that building. Okay, so this is the Haining Road building again. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.